In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Monday.com account step by step. Whether you're setting it up for personal task management, team collaboration, or managing an entire company workflow, this guide will walk you through everything you need to get started quickly and correctly. Monday.com is one of the most popular project management and work operating systems available today, and getting your account set up properly is the first step to organizing your work more efficiently. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to monday.com. Once the website loads, you'll land on the homepage, where you'll see options like Get Started or Sign Up Free. Click on either of these buttons to begin creating your account. Monday.com offers a free trial, so you can explore the platform before committing to any paid plan. After clicking the Sign Up button, you'll be asked to enter your email address. You can use your work email if you're creating this account for your company, or you can sign up using a Gmail account, Microsoft account, or even your Apple account. Choose the option that works best for you. If you're using an email address, type it into the field provided and then click Continue. If you choose Google, Microsoft, or Apple, simply follow the authentication prompts to proceed. Next, Monday.com will send a verification email to the address you entered. Open your inbox and look for the email from Monday.com. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Inside the email, you'll find a verification link or a button that says Verify. Click on that verification button to confirm your email address and continue the setup process. Once your email is verified, you'll move on to setting up your profile. This step helps Monday.com customize the workspace for your needs. You'll be asked to enter your name, so type in your full name as you'd like it to appear in your account. Then you'll need to enter your company or team name. If you're creating this for personal use, you can simply enter your own name or a placeholder name. After that, you'll select your team size from the drop-down options. This helps Monday.com tailor the experience depending on whether you're a solo user, small team, or large organization. You may also be asked about the type of work you do, such as marketing, sales, software development, HR, or other categories. This step is usually optional, but selecting an option can help Monday.com suggest relevant templates and workflows. Once you've filled in all the required information, click Next to continue. At this point, Monday.com may guide you through a quick onboarding process where you can choose how you plan to use the platform. For example, you might see options for project management, CRM, task tracking, or team collaboration. Select the options that best match your goals. The platform may automatically generate a sample board or workspace for you based on your selections. This is helpful because it gives you a ready-made structure that you can customize later. After completing these steps, your Monday.com account will be successfully created and you'll be taken directly into your new workspace dashboard. From here, you can start creating boards, inviting team members, setting up tasks, assigning deadlines, and exploring the different features available in your plan. And that's it. You've successfully created your Monday.com account. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. If this video helped you set up your account, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials covering Monday.com tips, automation guides, integrations, and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.